Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to stop Discord from automatically opening up every time you turn on your computer. So first of all, open your Discord. After opening, you want to go to settings, which is right beside mute, deafen, and then you got user settings. You want to press on user settings and you want to go to this page. Next, you want to scroll all the way down to app settings. Over here, you'll see something called Windows settings. In Windows settings, once you press on this, you'll see these options. First of all is open Discord. Save yourself a few clicks and let Discord greet you on computer startup. So by default, this is going to be turned on. I have it turned off because I don't want my Discord to turn on automatically with Windows. So if you have this turned on, you want to turn it off, and if it's turned off, well, that means your Discord's not opening up. And even after turning it off, if your Discord keeps on opening up, I would advise go to Task Manager, go to your startup. Once you're in your startup, search for Discord here. I'm gonna search for it. Seems like I don't have Discord here. That is alright. Well, that's good for me, but normally if you have Discord here, I'm just going to show it on another app. The Discord status is going to be enabled. You want to disable that. Once you disable it, it basically means on startup, that application will not turn on. It's as simple. That's it, honestly. So these are the two ways of, not letting Discord start up as soon as your computer boots. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.